my goodness. You guys, I'm so excited. I shouldn't be this excited, it's just makeup. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. So how are you guys doing? It's been like a really long day for me. I apologize if this video is like super low energy. I'm kind of really tired. It's been a long day, but I wanted to upload this video as soon as possible. So it is that time of the year. If you guys don't know, Sephora is having a holiday savings event for 2021, and first of all, I'm a huge Sephora shopper. That's why I get most, if not all, of my skincare products, makeup, and everything else. I love Sephora. Honestly, I feel like I spend 80% of all the money that I make, it's going to Sephora. That's what it feels like, honestly. So this is going to be a quick video just sharing with you guys a couple of the products that I have been eyeing for a long time. They have sat in my basket on Sephora for like 20 years now. I've been waiting for this sale to get them, and I just wanted to quickly share with you guys just like my first impressions and like a quick unboxing basically. So the first product I got is from Fenty Beauty. Of course, anytime there's a sale, I have to buy something from Fenty. So I can't let a sale go by without adding another Fenty product to my collection. So this time I decided to go with her Gloss Balm Heat Universal. This is a long name for a lip plumper slash lip gloss. Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper. Oh gosh. So you use this to get more plump looking lips, which is always a good thing. I got it in Hot Cherry. It's like a pinkish red. It's so cute. So it's just supposed to give you like fuller looking lips. It has a bit of a pinkish tint. The highlighted ingredients are vitamin E and shea butter, which is always good because that's super moisturizing. I don't expect it to be too pigmented. I just expect it to be like a normal type gloss looking, almost sheer but not really, just like a hint of pink. It's shimmer free, but it has like kind of a high shine, lip glossy, nourishing effect to it, so I can't wait to give it a try. So this next product I have been eyeing since it came out. Spoiler alert, it's eyeshadow. Super excited, so let me show you guys. So it's from McGrath Labs. It's the Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey eyeshadow palette. I opened it from the wrong end. Ugh. Girl, get it together. My lighting is gonna get in the way, but guys, look at this. The reason I love Pat's eyeshadow palettes is because they're just so buttery and smooth, and I love the color stories. I have her other eyeshadow palette. I can't remember what it's called now. This is probably the most expensive eyeshadow palette that I own. When I bought it, it was like almost like $200. It's the Mothership Divine Rose 2 palette. So this is a limited edition palette, so if you wanted to get it, I would suggest grabbing it as soon as you can. The retail price is about $103 if I remember correctly. I get 20% off, so calculate that. I'm bad at numbers. But yeah, so if you wanted to get this, I'd suggest you getting it now during the sale. I think it's totally worth it, especially for 18 shades. I think it's just such a diverse palette that you can make a whole bunch of looks with this. So this has 5 finishes. It has your shimmers, it has your 24K duochrome sparkle, it has your foiled metallics, it has your velvet mattes, and iridescent sparkle. So there are a whole range of looks to be made from this eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to use it. I'll probably use it in one of my upcoming videos, so watch out for that. So because we're stepping into 2022, yeah. Why did I have to think about that? So because we're stepping into 2022, that means we really need to step up our skincare game. I bought 3 new skincare products that I'm super excited to try. So the first product that I bought is from Glow Recipe. So if you haven't checked out my Glow Recipes Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, please go check that out. I'm super in love with that serum. And because of that, I decided to try another of their products. And it's the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic. Oh gosh. Why? No. I can't say words. Hyaluronic Clay Mask from Glow Recipe. I don't really use masks that often because I feel like they don't do that much. I only use masks if I like really want to be extra with my skincare routine and I feel like giving myself a facial. Oh, it comes with a free sample. It comes with a free sample of the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. It's a hydrating and pore refining toner. I'll give that a go. Why not? It comes with a spatula as well. So this is it. Glow Recipe, when it comes to the packaging, they know what they're doing. So this is a non-drying clay mask that's infused with hyaluronic acid. So basically, a lot of clay masks sometimes can dry out your skin a little bit too much. I've used clay masks before because they're recommended for people with like oily skin, just to get rid of that excess oil and to like give your pores like a deep clean and to decongest your pores. But the problem is that sometimes clay masks can be a little bit too drying and it takes like a lot of effort when you're like washing it off to really get it off your face. The reason I wanted to get this was because of the hydrating effects that come with hyaluronic acid, and I think it's a good idea to infuse it with the clay so it still has those benefits of unclogging your pores, smoothing out your skin, improving your skin texture, but without that excess drying thing that clay typically does. It also has watermelon enzymes which just like visibly brightens your skin and gently exfoliates. So BHAs are beta hydroxy acids, which just again it's a chemical exfoliant. So PHA stands for polyhydroxy acids. They're very similar to AHAs as far as like they're just used to exfoliate your skin and get rid of like dead skin cells to reveal like a more glowy, brighter skin. They're just a little bit more gentle than your typical AHAs like glycolic acids, lactic acids, mandelic acids. You guys already know. If you don't, please watch my over-exfoliation video. Okay, just so you know, I like that it's pink. I'm guessing that's from the watermelon. At least I hope so. It smells like watermelon. It smells nice. It's not an overpowering scent. I can't wait to try this though and see how it works. I read the reviews. Some people reported like a tingling effect, which I'm not surprised by because AHAs, they have that tingling effect as well. Not everyone had that though, so I'll see if I get it. You're only supposed to have this on for like 5 minutes. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Anything that has to do with dealing with my pores and exfoliating and, you know, just giving my skin more of a glowy effect, I'm looking forward to try. So I hope this is good. If it's not, you're gonna hear from me, Glow Recipe. So the next product is from Youth to the People, which I have not tried before. This is my first Youth to the People product. It is a mandelic acid and superfood unity exfoliant. I have like super simple packaging. It's a glass bottle, by the way. I actually wasn't expecting to buy this, guys, but I am a huge fan of mandelic acid. It's probably my favorite AHA. By the way, I'm going to do a full video about AHAs and BHAs, so if you're confused, just wait for that video. It's the next one I'm going to record. Mandelic acid is probably one of my favorite AHAs to use, mainly because it's super gentle, well, compared to like a glycolic acid, for example. But it's not as likely to irritate your skin as glycolic acid. And having a good exfoliant is super important for people with dark spots or hyperpigmentation or any type of sun damage. And anything that can help me with evening out my skin tone, I want to try. I was super impressed with the ingredients in this exfoliant. So it's 3% AHA, so the AHAs, like I said, is the mandelic acid, 2% BHAs, which is salicylic acid, of course, and 1% PHA, another PHA product. So the PHA in here is supposed to boost your skin cell turnover and improves your skin hydration, so that kind of boosts your overall moisture barrier and keeps your skin nice and hydrated and moisturized. It also has kale, green tea, and licorice root extract. So basically this was just like designed to put gentle acids together that don't irritate your skin, but you just get all the benefits from the acids. I think you should use this the same way you use like a toner. For me, this is more like a treatment, so I would use this the same way I would use a serum. Yeah, it smells minty. There aren't any fragrances in here as far as I can remember. Let me see. Yeah. Ooh. So this is 100% vegan, no animal testing, made in California, skincare for all good stuff. The final product that I got is something that I have been hoping that Farmacy would make for the longest time now. So it's Farmacy's Clearly Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. If you guys haven't heard, Farmacy, they have this cult favorite best-selling cleansing balm called Green Clean. I wasn't able to buy or even try the Green Clean for several reasons, because it's loaded with a lot of essential oils. I don't personally think I have sensitive skin, but I do treat my skin as though it is sensitive, meaning that I don't just like chuck anything on my skin. I try to be super careful. I try to not do too much, use too many products, use anything that's loaded with fragrances. So that's why I was super excited when this came out, because this is a peg-free, fragrance-free version of the Green Clean Balm. So it has the same makeup removing effects. It's just a little bit more gentle and sensitive skin friendly. It's a plastic jar. It feels empty. It better not be empty. It has a spatula as well. Yep, totally fragrance free. I don't smell anything, like at all. The OG cleansing balm has more like a sorbet type green tint to it. This is like white. Other than the no fragrance peg thing, this has the same ingredients as far as like the sunflower oil, which gets rid of your makeup, SPF, any type of gunk that you have throughout the day. You guys know that I encourage double cleansing. This is a pro double cleansing channel. It has moringa extract, which removes pollutants and cleanses and refreshes skin. It also has papaya enzymes as well, which is good for gentle, very gentle exfoliation. And it also gives you a fresher, brighter looking complexion. So it's paraben free, synthetic fragrance free, mineral oil free, cruelty free, a whole bunch of frees. It has moringa extract, which removes pollutants and cleanses and refreshes skin. It also has papaya enzymes as well, which is good for gentle, very gentle exfoliation. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm super tired, I'm super hungry, it's super late. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!